This black bean soup is one of the fastest meals you'll ever make. It helps you fiber max and stay full for hours. Hey, friend, if you need a quick dinner that tastes amazing and actually helps support your health goals, this black bean soup is it. I eat it frequently. I love it. It helps me stay full and satisfied. It helped me lose over 100 pounds. My husband likes it. And best of all, I'm going to show you at the end how you can use this in 5 or 6 different ways. So it's a fantastic soup. I think you're going to absolutely love it. It comes together in less than 20 minutes, and you probably have everything you need on hand. So I'm just chopping an onion. I'm rough chopping. I'm going to rough chop a few tomatoes, a bell pepper, some cilantro. You could add a poblano or jalapeno, whatever you prefer and whatever you have on hand. If that's what's great about this soup. If you don't have fresh tomatoes on hand, you can absolutely use a can of tomatoes. You can use a jar of salsa and skip some of this if you want, but I just really like the fresh vegetables, and I also really like having that added fiber. A lot of times with the salsas, the jarred salsas, they have some fiber, but you're missing the skins and things like that on the peppers and the tomatoes. So I highly recommend using fresh if you can. And in a moment, we're going to add black beans to this. Now, you could make it a pinto bean or a kidney bean. This is your soup. Do what you prefer. But the black beans, especially, are loaded with fiber and good plant protein, iron, magnesium, and good slow burning carbs. That's the kind of meal that's going to keep you full and satisfied. And that's the kind of meal that God recommends for us to eat, right? In Genesis 1:29, I've given you every seed bearing plant. This is what he intended for us to eat. And we don't have to make it complicated. This soup is so simple. You are going to love it. And beans are such a beautiful example of biblical foods that nourish and sustain us. They're fantastic. I encourage you to try to incorporate a cup of beans a day into your diet. It will make a big difference in your digestion, in your constitution. They are fantastic. They're going to help keep you full and satisfied. Now, I've rinsed and drained a can of black beans. You could use your own black beans if you wanted to cook them from fresh, but I'm trying to keep this as fast as possible for a quick weeknight meal. So I'm adding that can of drained black beans, the tomato, the onion, the bell pepper, and the cilantro into a food processor. We're just going to pulse it a little bit. I like my soup thick and chunky. If you don't, go ahead and process it for a while if you prefer. But I'm just going to pulse it and get it to a nice thick consistency. And then in a moment, I'm going to add another can of beans because I do want that texture. If you don't and you want it pretty smooth, then go ahead and add both cans of beans now and process them completely. But I like the added texture, so I'm going to add in that second can of drained beans. If you love quick and easy meals like this one, I have my Hearty Soups and Salads cookbook on sale now for $4.99, and stay till the end because I'm going to make a special offer. And if you're interested in weight loss, I have the 21-day plant-based weight loss solution. I'll leave a link to both of those in the description below. Now, I'm going to add in some salsa just because I want to make this soup a little bit thinner, and I also want to make it go a little further. I'm making this soup for a church event, so I'm gilding the lily here with this one. You could do the same, or you could just stay with the fresh vegetables, or you could just stay with the jarred salsa. It's your choice. Now, I'm going to cook this in a crock pot simply because it is for church, but you can just put this on the stove in a saucepan, bring it up to a simmer, let it cook for 10 minutes just to heat it up. And we're adding in your favorite taco seasoning. I'm adding in mine, which is my own personal taco seasoning. I'll leave the link to that below in the comments. It's a copycat of Old El Paso. And if I do say so myself, it's delicious. So that's it. It's so simple. And what makes it even better is you can cook the leftovers down. Just put it on a simmer, let it reduce until it's nice and thick. You can use it in enchiladas, taco salad, tacos, nachos, burritos, you name it. You can use it even as a delicious black bean dip. And thanks for watching. As a special today, I'm giving the first 5 people that sign up for the 21-day plant-based weight loss challenge a free soup cookbook. Enjoy.